I'll explain about unit impulse signal using MATLAB. We know that the unit impulse signal, so for del of t equal to 1, at t equal 0 it is 1. This is the impulse, and at t not equal 0 remaining is 0. Even if we go for that is discrete time signal, for del of n equal to 1 and remaining time it is 0. So for this we know that this is the program for that, and here I can see this, and here this is the MATLAB program for that, and I'll explain. So here general instructions, CLC, clear command window, clear all for workspace, and close all means close all figures and windows. Unit impulse signal generation, here we need to mention the time period. So from -1 to that is 1. So in between the time we need to mention. So this is the impulse, and at y1 equal t1 is equal 0. At t1 equal to 0 we need to get this impulse. At t1 equal to 0. As you know that impulse means at t1 equal to 0. So this is the impulse amplitude. So it is the impulse, and remaining time at t not equal to 0 it is 0. So at t1 equal to 0 we need to get our impulse, and here subplot of 2, 2, 1 means there are two rows and two columns. In that, so here 2 rows and 2 columns. In that the first diagram, that is plot t1 comma y1. So x label should be time, y label should be amplitude, and the signal name is, that is unit impulse signal. This is first diagram. And again for impulse sequences we need to get impulse sequences. So again 2 rows and 2 columns. The second diagram should be getting here. Even if you want to get only 1 row and 1 column, 1 row and 2 columns, we can take like this, 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, second diagram. So that is depends on our requirement, you can take. Then stem t1 comma y1. So this y1 should be getting, x label should be n and y label should be amplitude, and the title should be getting like unit impulse sequences. So like this we can write the code for that is unit impulse signals, and for this first we need to open the MATLAB. We need to open the MATLAB for that. So here we need to open the MATLAB here, and here you can see this, any old ones are there, I am removing, and here I am typing the same program here, I am typing here. Then after writing the code, the same signal, same code, then we need to go for file, save it. I am writing, we can save it anywhere. Impulse, I am writing impulse.m, and I am saving in my folder. You can save it anywhere. Then top side there is a run option is there. We can click on that. Directly we will get the output. This is unit impulse signal and this is unit impulse sequence. At n equal to t equal 0 we will get the impulse, and t not equal 0 we may not get 0. Remaining time it is 0. Like this you can generate the unit impulse signal and unit impulse sequences. Thank you.